Our community today faces many conflicts, misunderstanding among youth, unfair treatment of others, and leaders who sometimes use their position for personal gain instead of serving the people. Because of these problems, many people believe that peace only means the absence of fighting.
But true, peace is more than that. True peace means justice and unity, and respect for one another. It means choosing understand instead of anger and service instead of selfishness.
As young people, we may think that we are too small to make a difference. But in reality, youth have the power to influence others through our actions and our words and our choices.
If we want peace in our schools and communities, we must start by following this example. We can promote peace by respecting others, helping those in need, and solving conflicts through communication instead of violence.
Even small actions can create a big change. Showing kindness to a classmate, standing up against unfair treatment, or helping someone who is struggling can inspire others to do the same.
When leaders choose service instead of power, and when young people choose peace instead of conflicts, our community becomes stronger and more united.
Let us remember that being a leader does not require a title or position. Leadership begins with the willingness to serve others with honesty, humility, and love.
By following the example of Jesus, we can become peacemaker in our families, our schools, and our society.
Let us use our talents, voices, and influence not for personal gain, but to serve others.
Because true leadership not about being the greatest,
but about serving others and bringing peace to the world. Thank you.
The greatest example of servant leadership is Jesus. Instead of using his power to control others, he chose to serve. He showed humility, compassion, and love to everyone, especially to those who were often ignored or mistreated.
Jesus taught that true leadership is not about being above others, but about helping others rise. A real leader listens, understands, and works for the good of the whole community.
If we can have peace in our society,